2016 BMW X3 remove engine. It's not bad, you can do it. Remove everything from the front, remove the screw from the back, flywheel, and hoses. Be careful to break it. That's it. Okay, Taj Kadur. He said the engine is locked. It's not locked, but turn the engine, but not show up. No crank correct. So that's why he left 2 bolts and 1 screw in the back. Only one, the screw have to be opened on the side here for the transmission. Everything can be in the bottom, on the top. 1 screw here, 1 screw on the bottom here. Axle out, 2 of them. That's it. All right, thank you, Taj Kadur.